Do you know India's legal services industry is valued at over $1.3 billion? What's up, people? This is 50 reasons to stay in India. एक डेली सीरीज जहां मैं 50 दिन हर रोज आपको एक रीजन दूंगा इंडिया में रहने का। एंड आज हम बात कर रहे हैं लीगल सर्विसेज इंडस्ट्री के बारे में। सो ये इंडस्ट्री एक्चुअली है क्या? This industry comprises of any individual or profession that is responsible for maintaining order, resolving conflicts and upholding the justice in the society. ये इंडस्ट्री एक्चुअली काफी डाइवर्स है. It's not just about courtrooms or judges yelling order order. There are multiple roles like lawyers, judges, legal secretaries, paralegals, secretaries, consultants and so on and on. And the three main reasons why the legal services industry of India is going to grow exponentially in the coming years are the Grievance Appellate Committee, the decision to allow foreign lawyers and firms to practice in India, and so many foreign national companies setting up their base in India. In fact, after COVID, India's legal tech market is one of the fastest growing markets in the world. The legal services market of India is currently valued at $1.3 billion and there are over 650 legal tech startups in India. To become a lawyer in India, you firstly need an undergraduate degree, like a 3-year or 5-year LLB program, which you can get into by entrance examinations like CLAT or AILAT, post which you'll need to do some internships or moot courts. Further, you'll need to clear the All India Bar examination and then apply for the State Bar Council of whichever state you need to practice in. And the most important fact is, the employment rate for law graduates is projected to increase at 39% in the next 5 years. This was reason 19 for you to stay in India. तो क्या करेंगे आप? इंडिया से दौड़ोगे या इंडिया को दौड़ाओगे?